Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bit of a different video. I think last year I did a Halloween look 2 years ago, but today I'm going to be doing another Halloween look, and this video is actually sponsored by Bubble. I'm obsessed with this brand and company. Their skincare products are honestly super nice. I'm not just like saying that, like some people are just like trying to say it, but honestly I've been using their products for a while. They usually send me boxes. They send me boxes like honestly like once every like month and a half. And their skincare products are so nice. They leave your skin super like moisturized and dewy. And some moisturizers have like I don't know what the word is or like how to describe it, but like sometimes I'll put like a face moisturizer on and it leaves my face like really sticky, or it doesn't feel like it like gets into my skin. It feels like it more so like stays on top. But yeah, I really love everything from Bubble. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what is in this box. And then I'm going to be doing this Halloween look and how I'm going to incorporate Bubble into my little look. Skincare is super important for me. I've been like recently breaking out. Like these are more like hormonal breakouts, so I don't really know what's going on. I haven't broke out like this in a long time, so I'm trying to get my skin right. Okay, so the first thing we have is this detoxifying clay mask. This is actually something that I haven't used yet. And it is honestly so cool. Like it literally, I will show you guys, comes in this ball thing. Like their packaging, guys, is so cute. I love their packaging. And this is what it looks like. It doesn't really have a smell, which is nice for like sensitive skin. Because I know fragrances can be kind of like irritating to some people. And then it comes with a little applicator, which is super nice. I hate putting on face masks with my hands, especially with my nails. Next we have this makeup remover. I have used this because like I said, they send me like packages really frequently. So I've used this before. It is super nice. It's like a little pump and it's like a cream consistency. I actually have this in my shower if I decide to take my makeup off in the shower. It doesn't happen all the time, but I'll use this and then I'll use my face wash in my shower and then just take off the makeup that way. This is a moisturizer. There's two different moisturizers, I believe. This one is the balancing gel moisturizer. I've tried both of them. Both are really good. But like packaging, yes. And these are all dermatologist tested, rooted in plants, vegan and cruelty free. Like I said before, really good for sensitive skin. Moving on to the bag. I love these bags for travel and they're super nice because you can see through them. These are like my favorite bags to bring when traveling. Okay, so here we have a cleanser. I really like this cleanser too. I have this one in my shower. It's a fresh start again with the pump. The packaging is super clean and minimalistic. This is the toner. This one is the Break Even Balancing Toner. So there's two toners and two moisturizers. So this toner, I haven't tried this toner yet. This toner is a pump toner, so you just put like a cotton ball, and I'm not gonna use it because I don't have one, and then you just pump it. Same with the moisturizer, which I will show you guys in the next moisturizer what I'm talking about, like the pump thing. Then we have this bounce back toner. This one is super fun. I love this toner. This is also good for like a setting spray too. I'll sometimes use this as a setting spray. So guys, look at how fun this is. It like mists. Oh, and it feels so good. So I'll use this as like a setting spray, or I will use it like my nighttime routine. Like I'll put my moisturizer on, or like I'll spray it after the shower, and it feels so refreshing. This is the Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer. I believe this one is a little bit more moisturizing than the Level Up one. So this is the packaging. I'm gonna show you guys what this moisturizer is. So you literally just like take it, I don't know if you guys can see this, and you like pump it like that and it just comes out of the top, and it is super nice. Yeah, this one is a thicker consistency than the other one. The other one is more of like a gel. I'm actually gonna start my routine off with this moisturizer. Yeah, this one is way more thick than the other one. So I'm hoping this is gonna help for prepping my skin under the makeup, because we are going to be doing a lot of makeup on my face today, which is going to be interesting since I am breaking out. We're going to see how this goes. So I'm just going to get on into it. I'm going to be doing a Halloween look today. So I have two Halloween costumes this year. I'm gonna be Maleficent, and then my other one is gonna be the Joker. So I'm gonna be showing you guys like my Joker look. I am not good at makeup. I probably shouldn't be doing makeup. Okay, I honestly have no idea where the fuck to start. I think I'm honestly just gonna go in and just start winging it. I'm gonna take my Marula primer. I don't even know if I said that right. This one is one of my favorite primers at the moment. It's got a really nice consistency. I'm just gonna put that all over my face and my eyes to prep my face because this is Halloween. It's gonna be a long night and it's gonna be a lot of makeup, and you wanna make sure that everything stays. And then I'm gonna take my Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. This is my favorite from Glow Recipe. I'm just gonna take like one little pump of that, not too much, and just put that on my face as well. I'm gonna be taking my e.l.f. Camo Concealer and just putting that, and then I'm just gonna be blending. I got these new beauty blenders. I should have wet these, but whatever. I'm taking my Smashbox Full Exposed palette. I haven't used this palette in so long. It's a smoky palette. It's beautiful. I remember the last time I used it though, it's not super pigmented. I used this for like junior year when I went to prom. So it's like 4 or 5 years ago. But I guess I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna be taking a crease brush. I'm gonna be taking this color and like putting it on the lid to like set. Oh my god, I can't even think of like the words or the names of this. I'm gonna be taking that like nude color to set my lid. Now I'm gonna be taking this like dark taupey color, and this is what I'm gonna be laying in my crease. This is gonna be like my blending shade. I'm gonna be using this black color all over the lid. I think I might use the Smashbox brush that it came with just to lay it down first. Oh god, here we go. There's like literally no going back. I hope you guys can see this. I really hope you guys can see this. There's like no going back right now. Oh my gosh, see, this makes me so nervous. I am gonna be taking the other side of this brush and I'm gonna be using that to get in the inner corner. Again, this is gonna be super messy at first. I don't care. I'm gonna take a small crease brush from Morphe. This is just the M431. I'm just gonna put a little bit of black in there and just start kind of blending it out. And then I'm gonna be taking that brown color again and using that. I'm like shaking because all I have in my system right now is coffee. So I think what I'm gonna do under my lash line is add like a purple. So I'm gonna be taking my Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. This is a gorgeous palette. Majority of the stuff that I got in here is from my BoxyCharm packages. So I'm gonna be using Chestnut and Cranberry and combining those two, and then I still have some leftover black. I'm gonna be using the same brush, just dipping, and then I'm just gonna be putting this under my lash line to see how this purple looks. Well, I'm gonna be putting this glitter on, and normally I would put like a glitter glue or like a lash glue or something on to like hold the glitter, but since I'm gonna be taking this off, I'm just gonna be using the setting spray again, tapping it literally all over the place. Okay, well, I have the glitter on, and it's also all over my face. So we're gonna be concealing my brows. Clearly I forgot that I'm doing green brows. Okay, now I'm gonna take my liner and do like a J. I'm really scared. I mean, like I said, this is not gonna be perfect. And then I gotta do like the haha. And I'm going to be doing like the little scar thing. I have red liner, so I'm just gonna do the red liner, I guess. Okay, so that's a scar. It's a little crooked, but whatever. It's like my first run. So now I'm gonna be lining my lips with black liner. This is gonna be really interesting. Oh, here we go. This is so hard. Okay, so I had to do the lips off camera because they were honestly pissing me off, and that took way longer than it should have. I'm now gonna lightly curl my lashes to put on my falsies. Finally, the moment that I've been waiting for. Okay, I just put my lashes on off camera too because this video is getting really long and I haven't even gotten to the skincare part yet of taking all of this off. This is the finished like makeup look. I'm gonna get my outfit on, do my hair, and then show you guys the completed look, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I take care of my skin after all of this makeup. I literally forgot to film this ending of the makeup look because I was too busy making TikToks. So this is the final makeup look. I'm honestly really obsessed with how everything turned out. Now sadly we're gonna be taking it all off, and I will be showing you guys my skincare, how to take all of this off. Okay, I just took off my lashes. I'm about to get in the shower and take everything off. Normally if I'm not showering, I would take my makeup off like in the sink and stuff, but since I have all this, I'm going in my shower. You can see the products right there. Like I said, I have the cleanser and the makeup remover in there. I'm going to hop in the shower, take everything off, and then I will be showing you guys more of the aftercare with like the toner and the moisturizer, and I'll probably end up actually doing a face mask because my skin's gonna need it, so I will show you guys all that after. So I'm fresh out of the shower. My skin is a little bit like irritated. I sound like green in my ears. I just take a Q-tip. I tried to get as much of the makeup off as possible. It was really hard because there's like glitter, lash glue. I obviously did a smoky eye, so it's like darker. I'm gonna show you guys my after skin. So I did the cleanser and the makeup remover, and then I'm going to be doing the Slam Dunk moisturizer because like I said, this one is a little bit thicker. I was gonna do the face mask, but I honestly don't have time. I have to be somewhere right now. So I'm just gonna try to hurry up and just do this. My camera died, so I'm gonna finish on my phone. So sorry for like the quality change, but now I'm gonna be using the toner to kind of like finish off. Like I said before, my normal routine is like a cleanser, toner, and moisturizer, so that's what I normally use. So that is my after skincare routine, how I got ready before my makeup using some of these products, and how I treated my skin after everything that was on my face. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Bubble, for sponsoring this video. Their website and the products will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Halloween.